Today, we're looking at 10 of the very best lower third templates for After Effects in 2020. These lower third templates are an incredible tool, making it fast and effortless to deliver professional and stylish looking video projects directly to your audiences. The animated After Effects templates that we are looking at today look fantastic and are perfect for all of your video interview needs. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Glitch Lower Thirds by Candy Mustache. At number 10 today, we have this grungy After Effects template, which glitches on and off screen to display your lower third information. With 13 different styles, customizable colors, size, and positioning, you can easily make sure this template complements your video and branding. Number 9. Lower Third Pack by AE Rocket. Coming in at number 9, we have a more traditional lower third template option, perfect for any news broadcast needs. This After Effects template opts for clean lines and allows for main and secondary text, as well as a space to add your logo. It's also easy to customize the length of time the lower thirds appear on screen. Number 8. Essential Lower Thirds by Yeti. This After Effects lower thirds template is bright, modern, and fresh. With editable colors, duration control, and 20 unique text animations, the vibrancy and simplicity of this template really stand out, making it perfect for a wide variety of purposes, including social media videos, fashion and beauty vlogs, or TV interviews. Number 7. HUD Lower Third by Perry Cox. At number 7, we have something completely different. A video game style lower third option that combines military style imagery, text, and general design. With 6 animated elements and customizable colors, the animated bars produce a sense of action and urgency that's sure to get your viewers' attention. Number 6. Lower Third Stickers by Motion Revolver. At number 6, we have a playful sticker book lower third template. This pack comes with a selection of 4 pre-made graphics and a video tutorial for ease of use. It also has fully customizable colors and fonts, meaning you'll be able to quickly add production value to your videos. If you're enjoying this countdown, hit the like button and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more. Number 5. Lower Third Bundle by Sonora Films. Our next After Effects template is packed full of choice, with 16 unique designs ranging from simple clean corporate looks to colorful, playful retro designs. Each design can be fully customized and has its own project with up to 3 variations for maximum versatility. This pack really provides a great range of options for a wide variety of projects. Number 4. Lower Thirds by Joel Starling. At number 4, we have this beautiful template full of clean lines and simple but effective animations. This After Effects template offers multiple designs with transparent backgrounds and minimalist text overlays. With a corporate feel, it is the perfect option for anyone looking to make videos or presentations for work. Number 3. Lower Third Maker by Space Dog. With 100 customizable variations, you can let your creativity run wild with this lower third template. With options to easily add your own logo and choices between a main header or a main header plus secondary text, your selected animation will give a high-end and professional feel. Number 2. Lower Thirds by Motion Shape. These clean and simple lower thirds perfectly combine animation, color, and design to give you a template that lets the copy do the talking. You can choose from a completely minimal design, focusing exclusively on the text, or you can incorporate colors and animations which glide into action as the graphic appears and disappears from view. Number 1. Lower Thirds by Marcon. At number 1 today, we have this simple lower third After Effects pack that is perfect for TV shows and interviews. With 18 templates to choose from, customizable colors, and logo display options, you can create the lower third that best helps you tell your story. That wraps up the roundup of the best lower thirds templates for After Effects 2020. Did any of those After Effects templates really stand out to you? Let us know your favorite in the comments below and open the video description for links to all the lower thirds After Effects templates shown here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel for more helpful roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.